Today, we delve deep into the world of natural elements with modern design principles can transform a house into a haven. Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. In this video, we unveil from the tropical paradises within our courtyards to the seamless integration of nature into our interiors, exploring how the harmony between the environment and our living spaces creates truly breathtaking homes. We'll uncover the secrets behind creating tranquil sanctuaries that not only elevate our living experiences but also nurture our connection with the world around us. Nature-inspired architecture. By integrating natural elements and principles into architectural concepts, nature-inspired architecture seeks to create spaces that not only blend seamlessly with their surroundings but also enhance the well-being of their occupants. At its core, nature-inspired architecture emphasizes a holistic approach to design that takes cues from the environment. This can include incorporating organic shapes, materials, and textures that mimic those found in nature, such as wood, stone, and water. By bringing the outdoors in, nature-inspired architecture fosters a sense of connection and tranquility, promoting a greater sense of well-being and harmony with one's surroundings. One of the key features of nature-inspired architecture is its focus on sustainability and eco-friendliness. Architects and designers strive to minimize the environmental impact of their projects by using renewable materials, implementing energy-efficient systems, and designing buildings that blend harmoniously with the natural landscape. This not only reduces the carbon footprint of the building but also creates healthier and more sustainable living environments for occupants. Moreover, nature-inspired architecture often incorporates biophilic design principles, which aim to enhance the human connection to nature through the use of natural light, views of nature, and access to outdoor spaces. By incorporating elements such as large windows, skylights, and indoor gardens, nature-inspired buildings allow occupants to feel more connected to the natural world, leading to increased productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. Interiors with nature's essence. The concept of interiors with nature's essence goes beyond mere aesthetics. It represents a profound architectural philosophy that prioritizes the integration of natural elements into interior spaces, thereby fostering a deep connection between occupants and the natural world. This approach, known as biophilic design, holds significant implications for both physical and mental well-being, making it a compelling trend in contemporary architecture and interior design. At its core, interiors with nature's essence aim to create environments that resonate with the rhythms of nature, offering a sense of tranquility, vitality, and balance. By incorporating elements such as natural light, greenery, water features, and organic materials like wood and stone, designers can evoke the essence of the outdoors, even within the confines of indoor spaces. This not only enhances the visual appeal of the environment but also promotes a sense of calmness and rejuvenation, reducing stress and anxiety levels among occupants. One of the key principles of biophilic design is the emphasis on maximizing exposure to natural light. Sunlight is not only essential for maintaining circadian rhythms and regulating sleep-wake cycles but also has a profound impact on mood and productivity. By optimizing access to daylight through large windows, skylights, and strategically placed openings, interiors with nature's essence can create bright and uplifting spaces that energize and inspire occupants throughout the day. Ideal living room sanctuary. One of the key principles of designing an ideal living room sanctuary is maximizing access to natural light. Sunlight not only illuminates the space but also has a profound impact on mood and energy levels. By incorporating large windows, skylights, and glass doors, designers can flood the living room with natural light, creating a bright and uplifting atmosphere that promotes feelings of well-being and vitality. Moreover, an ideal living room sanctuary often incorporates elements of indoor greenery, such as potted plants, hanging gardens, and living walls. These biophilic interventions not only improve air quality by filtering out toxins and pollutants but also evoke a sense of connection to nature, which has been shown to reduce stress, boost mood, and enhance cognitive function. In addition, the presence of plants can help soften the built environment, adding texture, color, and visual interest to the living room. Furthermore, nature-inspired materials and textures play a key role in creating an ideal living room sanctuary. Natural materials such as wood, stone, bamboo, and rattan can add warmth, character, and authenticity to the space, evoking the beauty of the outdoors. Whether it's a reclaimed wood coffee table, a stone fireplace surround, or a rattan accent chair, incorporating these elements into the living room design can create a sense of groundedness and connection to nature. Comfort family bedroom design. The concept of a comfort family bedroom design goes beyond mere aesthetics. It embodies the idea of creating a private sanctuary within the home, where families can retreat and unwind amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. This design approach emphasizes comfort, tranquility, and intimacy, providing a space where families can relax, bond, and recharge together. At the heart of a comfort family bedroom design is the idea of creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere that promotes rest and relaxation. This can be achieved through thoughtful design choices, such as soft lighting, plush furnishings, and calming color palettes that evoke a sense of warmth and comfort. One of the key elements of a comfort family bedroom design is the incorporation of natural materials and textures. Whether it's cozy wool rugs, soft cotton bedding, or warm wood furniture, these elements add depth and richness to the space, creating a welcoming and inviting environment for families to enjoy. Moreover, a comfort family bedroom design often includes elements of biophilic design, which seeks to connect occupants with nature. This can be achieved through the use of indoor plants, natural light, and views of the outdoors, which help to create a sense of harmony and balance within the space. Furniture design for modern homes. In the realm of furniture design for modern homes, drawing inspiration from tropical regions and their vibrant biodiversity is not just a design choice, it's a celebration of cultural richness and traditions. This approach infuses interiors with warmth, character, and a sense of connection to nature, making it a popular trend in contemporary design. Tropical-inspired furniture design is characterized by its use of natural materials, bold colors, and organic forms that reflect the diversity of flora and fauna found in tropical climates. From the lush jungles of Southeast Asia to the serene beaches of the Caribbean, each piece of furniture tells a story of its cultural heritage and geographical origin. One of the defining features of furniture design for modern homes inspired by tropical regions is the use of natural materials such as rattan, bamboo, teak, and wicker. These materials not only add warmth and texture to interiors but also evoke a sense of tropical authenticity, bringing the beauty of the outdoors into the home. Moreover, tropical-inspired furniture often features bold colors and patterns that pay homage to the vibrant hues of tropical landscapes. From lush greens and earthy browns to vibrant blues and sunny yellows, these colors infuse interiors with energy and vitality, creating a lively and inviting atmosphere. Creating tropical courtyard garden. Designing a tropical courtyard garden is more than just landscaping, it's about creating a lush and verdant oasis that transports you to a tropical paradise right within the confines of your home. By incorporating lush vegetation, exotic plants, and soothing water features, you can transform your indoor space into a haven of tranquility and beauty. At the heart of creating a tropical courtyard garden is the lush vegetation that defines tropical landscapes. Think towering palm trees, vibrant ferns, and cascading vines that create a verdant canopy overhead. These plants not only add visual interest and texture to the space but also help purify the air and create a microclimate that promotes relaxation and well-being. In addition to lush vegetation, exotic plants play a key role in crafting a tropical courtyard garden. From colorful orchids and tropical bromeliads to fragrant frangipani and lush bird of paradise, incorporating exotic plants adds a sense of drama and intrigue to the space, evoking the sights and scents of a far-off tropical destination. Moreover, water features such as fountains, ponds, and cascading waterfalls are essential elements of a tropical courtyard garden. Not only do these features add a soothing and tranquil ambience to the space, but they also create a sense of movement and life, mimicking the natural flow of water in a tropical landscape. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. The concept of seamless indoor-outdoor living has become increasingly popular in modern home design, and one of the most effective ways to achieve this is by incorporating a tropical courtyard garden within the confines of the residence. This approach blurs the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a harmonious flow that enhances the overall living experience. At the heart of seamless indoor-outdoor living is the integration of the tropical courtyard garden into the home's architecture and layout. By positioning the garden strategically, such as adjacent to living areas or surrounding central atriums, homeowners can enjoy uninterrupted views of lush greenery and vibrant flora from inside the home, effectively bringing the outdoors in. The benefits of seamless indoor-outdoor living extend beyond aesthetics. It also promotes a closer connection to nature and enhances the overall well-being of occupants. Being surrounded by greenery and natural elements has been shown to reduce stress, boost mood, and improve cognitive function, making it an ideal design choice for creating a tranquil and rejuvenating living environment. Moreover, incorporating a tropical courtyard garden into the home allows for year-round enjoyment of outdoor living spaces, regardless of the weather or season. Rain or shine, homeowners can retreat to their indoor oasis and still feel connected to the beauty of nature, thanks to the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. Innovating kitchen and dining room design. When it comes to innovating kitchen and dining room design, the focus is not only on creating stylish and functional spaces but also on embracing eco-friendly practices and materials. This commitment to sustainability ensures that the architecture of nature aligns with principles of environmental responsibility and stewardship, creating spaces that are not only beautiful but also environmentally conscious. At the forefront of eco-friendly kitchen and dining room design is the use of sustainable materials. This includes materials that are responsibly sourced, renewable, and have minimal environmental impact. Examples include bamboo, reclaimed wood, recycled glass, and eco-friendly countertops made from materials such as recycled paper or concrete. In addition to sustainable materials, eco-friendly kitchen and dining room design also prioritize energy efficiency. This includes the use of energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and smart technologies that help reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. By incorporating these features, homeowners can minimize their carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. Furthermore, eco-friendly kitchen and dining room design often emphasize water conservation. This can be achieved through the use of low-flow faucets, water-saving dishwashers, and composting systems that reduce water waste and promote efficient water use. Additionally, incorporating rainwater harvesting systems and greywater recycling can further minimize water usage and contribute to a more sustainable home environment. Harmony in outdoor living spaces. When we talk about harmony in outdoor living spaces, we're referring to more than just a well-designed garden. We're envisioning a seamless integration where the elements of the tropical courtyard garden blend effortlessly with the architectural features of the home. This delicate balance creates a cohesive and visually stunning environment that enhances the overall appeal and functionality of outdoor living areas. At the core of achieving harmony in outdoor living spaces is the thoughtful integration of landscaping and architectural design. This involves considering the layout, scale, and placement of outdoor features such as pathways, patios, pergolas, and seating areas in relation to the surrounding vegetation and built structures. By carefully orchestrating these elements, designers can create a sense of flow and unity that enhances the overall aesthetic of the outdoor space. One key aspect of creating harmony in outdoor living spaces is the selection of plantings and vegetation that complement the architectural style of the home. This may involve choosing native plants and trees that thrive in the local climate and soil conditions, as well as incorporating lush foliage and flowering plants that add color, texture, and visual interest to the landscape. By harmonizing the natural elements with the built environment, designers can create a cohesive and inviting outdoor oasis that feels like an extension of the home. Optimizing space with indoor garden. In addition to providing additional living space, an indoor garden can also contribute to improving indoor air quality. Plants are natural air purifiers, capable of filtering out harmful toxins and pollutants from the air, while releasing oxygen and moisture back into the environment. By incorporating a variety of air-purifying plants into the indoor garden, homeowners can create a healthier and more breathable living environment for themselves and their families. At its core, the concept of optimizing space with an indoor garden revolves around the idea of utilizing every available square inch of the home to its fullest potential. By integrating a tropical courtyard garden into the interior layout, homeowners can effectively extend their living space beyond traditional boundaries. Whether it's transforming an underutilized corner into a cozy reading nook surrounded by lush greenery or converting a sunroom into a tranquil indoor oasis, the possibilities are endless. Moreover, an indoor garden serves as a practical solution for maximizing space in smaller homes or apartments where outdoor gardening may not be feasible. By bringing the garden indoors, homeowners can enjoy the benefits of nature without sacrificing valuable square footage. This is especially beneficial for urban dwellers or those living in high-rise buildings where outdoor space is limited or non-existent. Conclusion. In our exploration of the architecture of nature, we've discovered how the fusion of natural elements with modern design principles can transform a house into a haven. From the serene ambience of a tropical courtyard garden to the cultural inspirations that shape our living spaces, each aspect reflects a commitment to sustainable living and harmonious integration with the environment. As we continue to embrace biophilic design and functional integration, let us remember the importance of preserving our planet while crafting spaces that inspire and rejuvenate us every day. Well, thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.